Hey guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but I got a new iPhone. On my previous vlogs up until this one, I was using the iPhone 6 to film all of my vlogs. I recently upgraded to an iPhone XR or 10R, I guess. I don't know. I'm not good with technology, but I wanted to tell you some of the things that I really like about it. I think the fact that you can do screen recordings is so cool. I love the animated Memoji thing that you can do where you can make your own person, and I just think that's really fun, and you can send in a text message and you can also use it on FaceTime. I also really enjoy how YouTube looks and sounds, and music in general sounds from the phone. The sound quality is so great. When I first was watching a YouTube video, I thought that it was coming from my speaker in my living room because it was that loud and it sounds like surround sound. I don't know how they do that, but it sounds so good. Obviously, the camera quality is a huge upgrade for me coming from an iPhone 6. And the video quality is also really great. I hope that you can tell a difference from previous vlogs to this one, but yeah, I just wanted to come on and just say really quick the things that I enjoy about the new iPhone in case you are interested in it or thinking about getting it for, you know, vlogging reasons. So far it is so great and so great for vlogging, and I hope that it will like raise the quality of the content that I put on my channel for you guys. Hey friends, so I am about to go pick up Jaron from work. He's getting off a little early and we are going to go finish Christmas shopping. I think 3 days away from Christmas and we're still trying to finish Christmas shopping.
You gonna let me work out for a while?
Yeah. We had no luck on our hunt for boots, so I guess we didn't find anything.
Nothing.
I guess I'm gonna have to go look in the mall. I hate going to the mall around the holidays. I can't believe the video quality of this.
I can't believe how strong this pre-workout is. So it's gym time. Taking a brand new pre-workout called Wild Thing.
Look, guys, look at how Jaron takes his pre-workout, baby.
About to get swole, baby.
Please do not spill it in my car.
Oh, God.
Ew.
Woo!
That is disgusting. To Forever 21 and tried on clothes and I didn't get anything because I hated how everything looked on me. Good.
How easily could you paint it?
Like that easy.
Or did you paint it just like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else would you do? You're gonna do that while you paint?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how.
We were party outside. Hello? Aaron got us tickets to what? To what are the tickets for? An EDM concert, so I'm gonna just get ready now. This is what the current outfit is looking like. This top is from Forever 21. These jeans are from Levi. And then these shoes are from Steve Madden. And you already know I kept it simple with a neutral smoky situation and a nude lip. And my hair was straight, but I added a little bit of waves because it's gonna be raining, just in case my hair gets wet from the rain. Smiling, being happy. I look so good right now. Okay, so it's Christmas Eve, and I still am not done with Christmas shopping. This is the most procrastination I've ever done on Christmas shopping. Usually I'm done like a week after Black Friday. I'm done. But Jaren's out shopping for me right now. So I'm gonna take a shower because I look wretched. And then I am going to get ready and then take you shopping with me. Guys, this is me and Jaren's first Christmas together married, and look at how cute our little presents. These are mostly like for my family and his family, but look how cute. So I am out. It is Christmas Eve, and I am out looking for the last things on my Christmas list. I'm looking for a Game of Thrones beer that I know Jaren has been wanting, and just like to put in his stocking, or I don't know yet, but I'm looking for it, so we're gonna have to see if I can find it at a liquor store or something. And after that, I still need to get my uncle, and then I need to go to the grocery store to get ingredients to make a side dish for Christmas Eve tomorrow. Many hours later, but we can finally say we're done with Christmas shopping. I have no words, I'm so tired from Christmas shopping.
All right, peoples, I am going to attempt to wrap some Christmas presents. I absolutely despise doing this more than anything else in the world. So, anything in the world. So, here we go. Hey, some of this stuff is already in pretty bags. Does it still need to be wrapped? But you'll see where you can see where it's from. I don't care. We're opening them all tonight anyways. 3 of them are really pretty bags, so I'm gonna leave them as is. I want you to open all of yours tonight. Because I have my reasons. 1. I'm picking 1. No, I want you to open the best one tonight. It is Christmas. This is our Christmas. I can't even cut this stupid paper. Do we have any duct tape? This is such a stupid thing. Why can't people just get bags? Like, I haven't even wrapped a full-size thing. I've been trying to wrap a card, and I haven't even gotten the size right. Will that suffice? I can do this. At some point. Will that work? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I think, I can't think of anything. Probably just not think. Put the tape on backwards. Well, that was a gift card, and this is this, so these are nice. I like these. Check them. I love those. Hopefully she does. Oh, my baby girl.
Baby, if you're gonna film an iPhone video, you need to film it like this.
Why?
Because that's full screen.
Well, you're the professional vlogger. I am not.
I'm telling you, if you film it up like this, it's gonna have 2 black lines by the side. These are from Santa, okay? Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!